First half, especially, I thought Barry Bannon showed us exactly why we signed him. His range of passing, his composure on the ball just stood out. He had constantly had time. I think that's probably the best we've seen of him so far. Right?
Yeah, no, I agree. Yeah, he's probably the best. Obviously, like I say, he hasn't had much time with us because of obviously Denor, but maybe we might see more of him now. Obviously, Denor's injured. But no, he played fantastic. Obviously, like I say, he wanted the ball. Every time he got the ball, he was looking up, seeing who he could pass. And some of the passes, like his pinpoint passes out wide to Aziz,
Outrageous, yeah.
even some of the ones where he just first time like half volley to Aziz, and you think, wow, but has he managed to do that? It's literally straight to his feet as well. So yeah, I can understand why Millwall bought him, and obviously for that thing, because like it's between him and obviously Mitchell, they're two different players. Obviously, Bannon can go forward more, and he's got the capability of pinging balls to anyone. So yeah, no, he was very, very good to watch last night, and hopefully it can carry on as the games go on.